Hello and welcome to another one of our life hacks where we're sharing what worked when we had troubles with the white stains on the glass panes in our sliding glass doors. Two things before we get started. First, please remember that this information is not professional advice and should be acted on at your own risk. Secondly, this is not a solution for double pane windows where the seals have been broken and the white stains come from in between the glass panes. Our home came with sliding glass doors whose windows were etched with white streaks and scratches. The permanent damage was from either hard water stains or harsh chemical cleaner or even damage from being cleaned in the sun. Trouble was, I tried everything from vinegar to window cleaner, and the harder I cleaned, the more the white foggy streaks showed themselves. I got desperate because it was going to cost almost $2,000 to replace the sliding glass doors. That's when I remembered that we had used a wax spray when washing the cars and the water would beat up on the glass afterwards. So I decided to give it a try, and this is what worked for our windows. I started by cleaning the entire glass surface with my favorite glass cleaner. Now take note here, when you spray and begin to wipe the wax spray, do not wipe it off completely like a glass cleaner. Instead, wipe until you see microbeads of water and a bit of a sheen, then step back and let it dry completely. You may see the white haze after it dries, and if so, reapply until those white stains fade from the wax in this product. At the very least, you spend less than $10 to see if you can save thousands like we did. I did my best to show before and after pictures and videos on this one. While the stains are still there, they're less visible. It is a success, and now we can put off buying new sliders because we can see through the glass. We'd love to know if this works for you too, so please leave a comment below. Also, as always, thank you for supporting our efforts by staying tuned in. If you haven't yet subscribed, simply click on the circle here and we'll continue to share projects you can do yourself. You can do it. Give it a try and have some fun.